Hey guys, so over here I have a MIB unit in Volkswagen, and as you can see I'm just after the firmware installation. I've installed something over here and I have the summary screen which I can only skip by pressing this top right corner arrow. But let's say that the touch screen is not working correctly. I assume you are here watching this video because this is the deal for you. You were not aware of the touch screen issues before triggering the installation, and right now you cannot finish the installation because the touch is not working in this area. You can try to reboot the unit, but after 10 seconds, when the unit starts to reboot, you will notice that this doesn't change a thing in your car, because after the reboot you will see the firmware installation summary screen once again, and you cannot skip it. Well, in some units, not in this one, but in some units you can skip this screen by pressing the voice button or press and hold the voice button. I'm not sure if 3 seconds is enough or maybe 10 seconds will do the trick. But as I said, not in this unit. So what are the options? Well, we can try to do it with OBDeleven. So I have OBDeleven connected to the OBD2 port. I have the OBDeleven application over here connected with the vehicle. I have a Pro license, and right now I'm going to select all modules. This is the top of the list. I'm going to scroll down to module 5F, which is the infotainment unit. This is the infotainment unit. It's over here in the glove box, here. And over here I'm going to enter Adaptation. And I'm going to select Confirmation of Installation Change. This is the name of the channel. And over here you can see a key, E635 in my case. Now go to Safari, go to MIBhelper.com. Maybe let's go over here, MIBhelper.com, and over here in the top menu you have I'm so sorry option. Go over here and input the key from the adaptation channel. It was what was it? E635. E635. Okay. It will calculate a new key. This is the old one and this is the new one. 2FE7. So let's change it to FE. Oh, my mistake. FE7. Done. Slide to right. The right process will hang like this because of OBDeleven fault, but you can see that the unit already rebooted. I can kill the application over here, and right now let's hope that this will unlock the unit. We can already hear the radio, and yeah, without pressing the upper right corner arrow, we have unlocked the unit, we have completed the installation. So that's it. I hope that this helped you. Thank you for watching and see you soon.